Once upon a time, in a jungle, there were three good friends: a turtle, a crow, and a mouse. They always helped each other and were very close. One day, a deer appeared in the jungle, and the turtle, who had never seen a deer before, approached it. The turtle realized that the deer was new to the jungle and had no friends. Feeling sorry for the lonely deer, the turtle introduced it to the crow and the mouse, and they all became friends. Every day, the four friends would go in different directions to find food and meet again by the lake in the evening. However, one day the deer did not return in the evening, and the other three friends started to worry. They decided to search for the deer and soon discovered it trapped in a hunter's net. The crow quickly flew back to the turtle and the mouse to inform them of the situation. The crow explained that they needed to act fast before the hunter returned. The mouse used its sharp teeth to cut the net, freeing the deer. Just as they were celebrating, the hunter returned and spotted the freed deer. In a panic, the friends scattered to escape. The crow flew away. The rat ran to the nearest hole, and the deer hid in the bushes. Unfortunately, the turtle could not run or hide and was captured by the hunter, who put it in a sack and took it away. Feeling sad about their friend's capture, the deer, the rat, and the crow devised a plan to save the turtle. Since the hunter was alone, they knew they had a chance. The crow explained the plan, and they set off. They reached the lakeside, where the deer pretended to be dead, and the crow acted as if it was leaving. The rat hid in the bushes, waiting for the right moment. When the hunter approached, he saw the deer lying motionless and got greedy. As he moved closer to catch the deer, the crow flew away, and the deer quickly got up and ran off. The hunter was confused and could not understand what was happening. Meanwhile, the rat now threw the sack and freed the turtle. Together, they rushed into the bushes. When the hunter returned to retrieve the sack, he realized that it was empty and the turtle had escaped. He felt defeated. The turtle, the deer, the rat, and the crow rejoined, overjoyed to be together again. They learned a valuable lesson from this adventure. Unity is strength.